Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the world of gadgets and gizmos that can take our entertainment experience to the next level. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an honest review of one of LG's most popular OLED TVs, the 83-inch Class OLED. Now, before we get started, I want to acknowledge that buying a massive TV like this can be intimidating, especially if you're on a budget or not sure if it's worth the investment. But trust me, after spending some quality time with this beauty, I'm here to tell you that it's truly a game changer. So, let's start with one of my favorite features, Brightness Booster Pro. This technology is essentially a game changer for anyone who loves to binge-watch their favorite shows in well-lit rooms. Essentially, it works by amplifying each pixel up to 3.2 times brighter than usual, which means you can enjoy stunning realism and depth in every scene, even with the lights on. But here's the best part. This technology doesn't just enhance brightness, it also improves picture quality overall. With perfect black and perfect color tech, LG is talking about over 8.3 million self-lit smart pixels that work together to create a truly cinematic experience. And when you factor in the A11 AI processor, which delivers 5.6x greater AI processing power than its predecessor, it's clear that this TV is more than just a pretty face, it's also a powerhouse of innovation. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about Dolby Vision and Atmos? Don't those make the TV sound fancy? And to that I say, yes, but here's the thing. LG's implementation of these cutting-edge audio technologies is actually really accessible. In simple terms, it means that when you watch a movie or TV show on this TV, you're not just getting better picture quality, you're also experiencing immersive sound that puts you right in the middle of the action. And let's not forget about gameplay. The 165Hz refresh rate and NVIDIA G-Sync technology make for lightning-fast response times and seamless gaming experiences. I personally tested out some popular titles like Fortnite and Assassin's Creed, and I can confidently say that this TV delivered on its promise to deliver ultimate gameplay. But what really sets this TV apart is the AI-powered features. The A11 AI processor uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your viewing habits and adjust picture settings for optimal performance, all with minimal input from you. It's like having your own personal picture expert, always tweaking settings to get the best possible experience. And then there's OLED Care, which is essentially the TV's equivalent of a personal bodyguard for its display. By protecting the screen from wear and tear, this feature ensures that the picture quality stays top-notch over time, so you can enjoy your favorite shows without worrying about them looking fuzzy or washed out. Finally, I want to give a shout-out to WebOS, which is LG's intuitive streaming platform. With Google Gemini and Microsoft Copilot at your fingertips, you can access all your favorite apps and services with ease, making for a truly seamless viewing experience from start to finish. So there you have it, folks. After spending some quality time with the 83-inch Class OLED, I'm genuinely won over by its impressive specs and features. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or just someone who loves to unwind after a long day, this TV has something for everyone, and at an unbeatable price point. Want to check out the LG 83-inch Class OLED for yourself? Click the link below to get the best deal on this incredible TV.